Kaudhi weche mag ohala jatije manyien e bad migawo mochung' ne choko osuru e pacho ka indi KRA ne ochamo muma e nyasi mokwongo maket kod mano ma chakre ne chuoge. Humphrey Wata Mulongo ne oyuoro kod familia mare e nyasi no mane ota kod jagore bad migawo mar do An Amadi. Jatend jochoko osuru no ne osingo ne obiro tiyo kod yore manyasani e pedho jogo ma kwepo osuru mondo med choko mag osuru e pacho ka nyaka shillings trillion 3.
We are looking to accelerate the technological advancement of KRA so that we can really utilize the great sort of digital leap, digital advancement in technology. In the last sort of few years, even in the recent past, you've seen what has happened in the area of technology. We now have machine learning modules, we have big data analytics, we have artificial intelligence. So ours is really to see how we are going to harness this advancement in technology and bring that to the fore to really help simplify the tax administration process and just make the tax experience process for the taxpayers much more palatable so that we can drive